guys, it's Sonia. Welcome back to my daily vlog. We are in the van. We're gonna drop off some Junk Monkey Happy Mail at the post office, and then me and you are gonna spend some time doing a little retail therapy. What a gorgeous day. Alright, we have arrived at Ollie's Bargain Outlet. Have you guys ever shopped here before? It is basically one of those stores where things can be all over the map, all over everywhere. So if you need a tidy store, this is probably not the place for you. But if you love to pick and hunt like I do and treasure hunt for good deals, this is an amazing place to come. Now, I had heard that they just got a load of Christmas decor, which is what I am here for to pick over today. But Ollie's basically takes closeout inventory. Other retailers just kind of sell off excess of stock to them that they can't sell. So you just never know what you're going to find in here, but that's part of the mystery. Everybody needs a little mystery in their life, but a little bit of the mystery, a little bit of the fun. And it looks like somebody's coming out right now with some deals. All right, let's go see what we find inside, guys. Now, I should also tell you that this is where you can find a lot of good books. This is where Matt loves to come to shop for books, and I have actually found, because I now found out that, I have found a lot of amazing books as well, like just really good, well-known authors, and their books are like super, super low priced. Okay, I'm not even inside the store yet, but this is what I'm seeing outside. Yeah, all these colors. Oh, look, there's a frog. Is that an alien frog in there? He looks kind of alien froggish in there. But all kinds of colors. Oh, he's a cute guy. Look at him. I do like him. Let's see how much he would go for. $4.99. He is a cutie. And I see over here all kinds of pots and stuff. And they also have a sign on the window that says, largest rug buyout ever. So you just never know when you come here what you're going to find. Irregulars, buybacks, overruns, closeouts. My kind of place. Hey guys, we are back home. You know what I don't like about this time of the year is when you go into the store late afternoon and it's light when you go in. It's actually daylight, but it's at the tail end of the afternoon. You go in and by the time you come out, you open the doors and it's dark. For some reason, it just makes me feel like, okay, the day is over, it's nighttime all of a sudden. So I came back to the house and had a bite to eat. Boy, I'm very lucky that Taco Bell is actually next to Ollie's. Now we get to open up all the goodies that I found today. So what'd you guys think of what the store had to offer, guys? There's so much there. I was only showing you the Christmas stuff, but I'm gonna tell you right now, if you need anything for your home, like I actually bought some curtains today as well for my son's room in there. It wasn't Christmas related. I bought a journal. I'll share with you guys that one in just a second too. But if you need anything, I mean, they had the cutest owl sheets. Yes, I said owl sheets. Rugs, all that sort of stuff. Any of that home stuff, you can find it there. All right, so the first thing I got was this really cool, it's a vintage bulb tree. It's battery operated, so it's for indoor use only. And I think this would be really cool to put somewhere, we don't know where. Stay tuned, we'll decorate together. And by the way, I got this for $7.99. It says regular price was $15. All right, next thing I got was not one, but two decorative rugs for the floor. You cannot beat a price of $3.99. $3.99. I got this one right here. How cute is this one? I love the colors into it, and I love the vintage feel of the car into it as well. Look at the little dog right there. Do you see him in the window? And then the next one, again, the $3.99, was home for the holidays. And this one had, say it with me, the red truck. Everybody loves the red truck. So for $3.99, you can get some rugs, really cute ones at Ollie's. And they had a bunch of other designs that were there. I also like the fact that this has the rubber back on it, so that way it doesn't slip. All right, the next thing I got was a pillow for my couch. I like that it had some yellow in this pillow. So that way with my, with my TV stand that I painted and Be My Honey, the yellow tone, I think it will go really good in there, but it also has like this greenish, teal, bluish color, so I think that will fit also really well in that space. And I got this one for $6.99. Got this for the kitchen. Hello. These were $1.99 a piece, and actually they're quite like heavy, not like the, the dollar store version that just is like a little bit of foam between your hands. This is actually a really nice quilted oven mitt, so instead of just getting one, I got two. So these were made by Middleton Home. They got a little bit of a gold thread that runs through them, but honestly, these are like all year round. I just thought they were beautiful, nice quality. The next thing was purely for fun. Now, Matt told me when I went down there that if I saw the giant stockings that he had seen there when he was there looking at the books earlier on in the week, that's what he was concerned with. He's like, pick me up one of those giant stockings. So I picked up Matt a giant stocking, all right? I don't know what he's gonna do with this, whether he's gonna hang it on the door or exactly what he wants to do with it, but it is a giant, massive stocking. And they had reindeers, they had Santas, and they had reindeer, Santa, and I think a snowman. This one was $9.99. So this is Matt's extra large stocking. So we'll see. I'll let you know where he decides to hang it, but yeah, my husband said get him the giant stocking. I don't know what he's gonna do with that. So I got this value pack of assorted tissue as well. It has green, white, and just the snowflakes in here for $1.99. And it's 40 solid, 20 print, total of 165 square feet. So there's a lot of tissue paper in here. So that's a great find as well. All right, so I am into gnomes this year. I'm into gnomes any day, any month of the year, let's be honest here. This is so cute. And actually, if you go here on my YouTube channel, you will find one of my vlogs where I do a tutorial where we paint a gnome with a palette knife. So maybe you've done that one already. So these here I found, they were $1.99 a piece. So I had to get two. I thought they were just the bee's knees. Look at his nose, look how pink and just a little bit of blush on there. He looks like he's been out in the cold and his nose is turned a little bit red. What do you think of my set of gnomes? And then I'm not going to lie, I got the granddaddy of gnomes as well, okay? So this is like the dad, all right? Regularly $20, I got him for $9.99. Loved him. He was so sweet. Honestly, he was the only big gnome that they had left there. And he's part of the same collection. He's made with the same tag, Aaron's Holiday Home, which must be a decor line. And so his feet actually matches the little baby ones, little baby gnomes. I found these in a different section. But I'm going to put them all together so they can be a family, a family of gnomes. $14, $9.99 for the big guy, $1.99 a piece for the little one. So what is that? $14 to adopt an entire family of gnomes. You can't go wrong. If you guys get out and find any gnomes at your Ollies, you'll have to let me know, because honestly, I would love to go and see if I can find a few more of these guys. So I think I might collect a bunch of gnomes this year for the holidays. Sweetest little guys ever. Okay, I also got this beautiful runner from Vogue Collections, and this one was originally, it says $29.99, and I got it for $9.99, and I loved it. I just thought it was so classy. It just says Merry Christmas on it with the stockings. I just love the color of this really light linen, just textile look. I thought it looked really high end, and for $29.99 on for $10, yeah, I thought that would be a really good find. So I can't wait to decorate with that one and put that one on my table when we switch over to Christmas decorating. Also found me some star lights. These are LED string lights, white lights, and I got these for $4.99. They are battery operated, and I can't wait to put my batteries in here. You might even see me put those up in the backdrop behind me. I love stars any time of the year, but I think they're really fun and really happy, so I am probably going to make use of those here in my creative space. But they would be perfect for a tree. You could dangle them over a piece of furniture that you just painted. Super cute. And speaking of super cute, so you know how I told you that Ollies really like their closeouts, their buyouts, it could be a little bit of anything. They had a section there today. It was called the journal buyout section. There was all kinds of journals there. So I took home this one and I got it for $1.99. Okay, I'll show you what it says in the front, but it had this beautiful shabby rose vintage feel to it that I positively loved. And then actually the front of it made me laugh. This really feels like a decoupage cover to me, and I love the handmade feel of it. On the front it says my mascara ran, but I'm counting it as exercise. It was nice hard cover, had this beautiful blue spine, and it's really a journal. It's really nice. I love how the pages just like laid flat, like they're nice heavy pages. So I'll probably make use of that for just like my day-to-day to-do list and what I'm working on, because say it with me, you can never have too many nice books. So I got some really good stuff there today. I'm definitely going to be on the lookout for my gnomes. I'm going to want to try to see if I can maybe find some other gnomes. Maybe they're wearing different sweaters. I don't know. Tell me if you go to your Ollies and you find some, okay? I'm going to have to look up what other Ollies are in my location or along my travels so I can go check out and see if maybe I can get some other ones to add to this really cute family. Thank you guys for hanging out and subscribing to my daily vlog. Maybe you saw something there today in my video that you need to, or you just want to get out and browse the shelves. Tomorrow, guys, we're gonna go do some thrifting. I have to work my storefront tomorrow, and I'm going to incorporate some thrifting in amongst my day. So when I go back to that area tomorrow where my shop is located, you better believe I know where all the good spots are to thrift and find some really good junk. So I'll take you with me, and we'll see if we can find some good projects to flip for profit and projects that we can paint together as well. All right, see you guys tomorrow. Take care, stay warm, go bananas, get creative, do something you love. You know the drill. Bye.